Barry!
Barry, your dirty socks are all over the place.
Yeah.
Oh my God! Finally, Barry has gone from boy to man. Barry, don't be ashamed to explore your body. Now imagine being with a girl, or whatever, and falling in love, and getting out of the house. Oh, Barry, I'm coming in. I'm so proud of you.
Look, Ma, I found my old Lego box in the closet. Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah.
Barry!
What's that, Ma?
Oh, hello, Barry. I didn't see you there. I was just thinking about how wonderful this new tuna is.
Gee, Ma, is that the new Dinkin' Donut? Fortified with tuna on the inside and deliciousness on the outside.
Ha ha ha. Why, yes, it is, Barry. You're quite the donut expert.
Yeah, Ma, I guess you could say I know my nuts.
No, Barry, you know your donuts. Dinkin' Donuts, thank you very much.